Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some boring but extremely effective ways to grow your Etsy shop and make more sales. I know everyone's always hoping for these secret hacks and tricks and things that are gonna make that total difference and just blow up your shop overnight. Literally said by the experts at Etsy themselves, these are going to be the ways that you can trust to grow your shop and consistently continue to make more sales. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Number one, a fantastic way to make more sales, drive more traffic to your shop, and grow your business is going to be by adding new listings consistently. This might look a little different for you depending on what type of product you are listing. If you are a digital shop, you should be adding listings daily into your store because you don't have that holdup of a physical product and having to photograph things, and you can just create them and list them with no problems. Digital product shops tend to have a lot of listings, and that's because it's just a lot easier to create digital products daily than it is to create a physical product to list and post. Now, if you have a physical product, you're really going to have to take a look at your competitors to see how often are they adding new listings, how many listings do they have in their shop, and what type of listings they might be adding. This is going to be crucial for every shop to do so that you can actually gauge how many you should be uploading. My best recommendation is to always choose a number of listings that you think you can do consistently, whether that's over a week span or a daily span, whichever you choose a number and stick to it and stay consistent. Adding new listings into your shop is proven to help give you a boost in the Etsy algorithm because they want to push out that new item in their algorithm so that they can gauge where it needs to land amongst the competitors and other listings to really funnel it in and filter it where it belongs for the certain type of shopper who is looking for it. So the more new listings you have, the more chances you have of really pushing your shop out there and getting more traction. Not to mention the more listings you have in general, again, are just more opportunities every single time to draw more people in and provide them with a product that they need or are looking for. The second proven way to really grow your shop that so many people hate to hear is social media marketing. I do have an entire video all about how to grow your Etsy shop without social media. I will link that up here for you guys and down below. So if you want to skip past this one, sure, go for it. But I'm telling you, social media is a fantastic way to grow your business and grow your Etsy shop organically. The Etsy algorithm will work in your favor if you are driving traffic to your listings yourself, because Etsy is going to see that you have customers outside of their website that you're bringing in that are interested in this item. So then they're going to push that item out more into their algorithm, assuming that more people will probably like it if you've already had more people come in and purchase from you. Social media does not have to be overwhelming. It does not need to be difficult, and it does not need to be stressful, especially for your small business. I have a ton of tips on creating content for your small business here on this YouTube channel, as well as on my TikTok and Instagram, that you guys should definitely go and check out. I recommend choosing a content schedule for your small business that you can be consistent with. Just like adding those new listings, your daily or weekly, you want to choose how many times you're going to be posting on your social media platforms and which ones. You do not need to post on every single social media platform. I would recommend picking one or two to spend your main time and focus and energy on. You're going to have much better yielded results rather than burning yourself out trying to post on all of the different platforms that there are. Trust me, I've done it, and I've done it a few times. So learn the lesson from me. If you want to make sales on Etsy, y'all, you have got to optimize your listing. This means that we are learning search engine optimization, which is SEO. This is how your items are going to be found in the Etsy search algorithm. The way that SEO works, Etsy takes into account things like your photos, your titles, your description, your tags, and the attributes that you fill out when you are making a listing on Etsy. When all those pieces come together, Etsy as an algorithm looks at it, searches through it, sees what kind of keywords and things you're using to describe your item, and they use that to help put your item in front of the correct person. Best way that you can have strong SEO is finding little gaps in the market, is what I like to call them, where you're going to find a need for a certain type of item that other people aren't necessarily making right now, and putting those things in your title, your tags, your keywords, your attributes, those types of things. One of the best ways to do this is through keyword research platforms. There are a ton out there, such as Sales Samurai, Everbee, Alora, eRank. There are so many nowadays. I will link my favorite ones down below for you guys if you want to go and check them out. These are great tools to kind of help you do keyword research and find those kind of gaps in the market where it has a lot of people searching for them, but there is not a lot of competition. That's where you're going to find your sweet spot when it comes to what keywords you want to include in your title, tags, and description. If you want to way to help keep yourself organized when it comes to your Etsy SEO, and maybe you're someone who just needs that little bit of help, I offer an Etsy SEO workbook. It's a $10 workbook that you can use every single time that you're working on a new listing in your shop. It's going to help you organize your thoughts, organize your keywords, and do a little bit of research and keep everything kind of tracked and narrow down what you want your keywords to be for your item. I will have it linked up here for you guys if you want to go and check it out, as well as down below and at the end of the video. A feature that Etsy pushed out, it's been a few years now, like 2 to 3 years, is offering a video feature within your listings. I recommend using this because I find that the items that rank at the top of the search whenever I'm on Etsy are always ones that include videos in their listing. Because when you hover over an image on Etsy, it will automatically start playing the video that is next in that listing. So if you have and are adding videos to your listings, you're more than likely going to be ranking a lot higher in the Etsy search. Etsy loves to see that you are using the features and programs that they're offering. So anytime they come out with a new one or ones that maybe you haven't tried before, give it a shot. I have found over the past years that they really do push the shops who are using their features that they are pushing out. And it's just another great way to show up in your shop and show Etsy, hey, look, I'm interested in your platform. I want to do what you think is best. I'm going to do that. And adding videos is just one of those ways. Now, a lot of people get stuck on the videos thinking they have to film their product up close, etc. That video doesn't even necessarily need to be of your specific product. It could be a video describing some of your sales or discounts you offer for bulk orders. It could be a video of you working on your product or creating that product. It could just be a video showing picture collages or different mock-ups of your items, especially if it's digital and you don't have that physical video of it. So get creative, look at what your competitors are using in their videos for their listings, and then replicate that for your business. Etsy has this feature called Star Seller. Star Seller is essentially people who respond back to their messages, they receive great reviews, and they ship out their products on time. This is a really great way to stand out as a seller and create that trust that a lot of buyers tend to not have when it comes to purchasing on Etsy. It shows them that you are a dedicated seller, that your customers mean the most to you and you're ready to give that high quality customer service, and that you're going to stick to your word and what you say they're going to get. Working on getting the Star Seller can be something that is very stressful, but there are tips and tricks to kind of help a little. When it comes to answering your messages on time, there is actually a way to do an automated message response on Etsy, and that should help you be able to get back to your messages a lot faster, and it may answer people's frequently asked questions. As far as getting your shipping items out on time, if you know that you are going to be on vacation or taking a break, adjust your shipping times instead of just closing your shop down completely and putting it on vacation mode. That way you are setting realistic expectations for your shoppers, but then you're also not trying to do this crazy catch-up game of keeping up with all your orders on time. In order to get 5-star reviews, you really have to impress your customers from start to finish, whether that is answering their questions via messages quickly and efficiently, shipping out their items on time or even ahead of schedule, packaging when it arrives, and branding. Is your product arriving taken care of? It's not broken, it got there correctly, it's not dirty, etc. And then is your packaging, does it go with your branding? Is it entertaining? Is it beautiful? Is it fun to open? Is it an experience? You should be including some type of card, a thank you, a discount, way of encouraging your shoppers to come back and leave a review. With a digital shop, you can actually send like a message that goes along with your digital products, asking and encouraging for those reviews. Or for physical products, you can include that thank you little card in there that says, hey, leave a review, we'll send you a discount code for your next order. But encourage people to leave reviews for your shop. Reviews are a great way to stand out amongst competitors because you are building that trust with your customers, and therefore you're going to be able to have a lot more people who are interested in purchasing it from you because others have already said, hey, look, this shop is good, they know what they're doing, and they're going to trust you and they're going to want to come and buy. Question of the day for you guys. When it comes to building an Etsy shop, what is your #1 struggle? I love answering and helping you guys here on this channel when it comes to Etsy and your small business. So I want to know what you guys are struggling with the most, and you never know, might be on our next video topic. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link a video all about Etsy SEO. I think this is a great next step if you're looking to really learn a lot more about search engine optimization for your store. Along with that, I'm going to have an entire playlist full of Etsy related tips and tricks over here. There are tons of videos if you want to go and binge watch some more tips. Down here, you guys are going to find my subscribe button so you can stick around on my channel for more videos I upload weekly. And last but not least, down here on the bottom for you guys, I'm going to link you on over to my Etsy SEO workbook. This is going to be a great tool for you guys to use as you are building out your shop. Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!